This video is to introduce how to quick install a new mold. You may need a forklift or a quick die change trolley and raise the mold to a certain overhead. Before the mold can be pushed on, there is preparation work to be done. Operate the machine interface to make the heat plate to go backwards and the lower template to go up. The user must lift the down mode, the lower mode, because if the lower mode not lifted, the new set of mode will hit the bottom of the safety door frame, which will causing damage. So please watch the video and ascend to such a position, and then send the new set of mode inside the hot plate welding machine. Be careful when pushing the new set of molds into the machine. The two persons on the left and right should use even force. You must take care. We will introduce how to install the mold. This is the second part. The first step is how to place the mold and how to position it. Make the hole in the bottom mold concentric with the locating hole in the bottom panel, because the locating pin will go through here later. The locating pin will raise from this hole. Next, we will do the connection for the mold and the machine frame, and to connect the plug to the machine. Connect this big one and another two small one. It's easier to plug in the two smaller plugs first, then the bigger plug. And insert the plug on the top. Open the back door. These two big plugs need to be distinguished. Please not make a mistake. We will show how to distinguish them. I am now on the back of the machine, and there are two plugs. It must be distinguished. Please check how to insert them. This one, the cables are connected to the lower mode, and so the plug is the lower position. And this one, as the cables are connected to the upper mode, so it's put at the top. Okay, so top, lower. Click Mode Replace. Then OK. Then up the pin. The pin is up now. Down the lower mode down. The heating mode needs to be lowered to the locked position. Click lock the top one. It's already been locked. Check it. Then press and hold on down button on the far left. Then the upper fixed plate will drop. Like this. Click clamp to fix the upper plate. Lock. Left and right, both needs to be locked. Then up the upper plate with the upper mode to a certain height, because we need to take off the get column. Then click push to press the lower mode. Then down the lower mode. It's the same. The get column can be easily taken out. Now we are taking out all the get columns, the 4 columns for the lower mode, and the 4 columns for the upper mode. This phase is basically over. Now don't set it OK. Change it. We need to start for welding process. Turn to home page. Click formula, then choose the correct formula. It's now 7382. Click load 1, click load 2. Home page. Then hold on reset button for a while. Switch the button to automatic. Now put the material. Use the foot pedal to absorb. Click the 2 green buttons. The machine will start welding. I would like to insert a small tip. Please note that when you want to change the modes, it's recommended to release the air when you change the mode, no matter you disassemble or you install a new mode. After that, insert the air pipe, and with air pressure, then we can start the welding for the product. If this part of lower modes lift up, It means that the two small pipes on the left door are inserted wrongly. Please exchange the two sockets.